Hi lovely viewers, this is Sweet Ohima. Today we are going to prepare one of our Ghanaian local food. This food is called kokoto. Kokoto is made up with just ripe plantain with some few ingredients. Let's start by peeling this ripe plantain. Now let's add our fresh pepper, 3 eggs, salt and some water, and set it on fire for just 3 minutes. After abeno, yen start enchi yengu koko, the palm oil and casanebe. Palm oil near the momone and as a salted fish. Edi candy chimpa, a mania hum, answer the jane na chucha. Any nama nase smoked fish and so a boom achia manaya kona. Wait me so now the season kakran so egu and one mama and also become one koko no I depa. Now let's start the mashing process. We are going to start by grinding the fresh onions, pepper, and then salt. Let's add the fried salted fish. Now let's add our ripe plantain. Here you can mash it very smooth. And as a mpotompoto fefe, obetri achese abebia mukosi say ebeye kama said dia open. You have to mash it very smooth. Afe wo nkate an we nkate a yachi hwe eguso akono ene die enkwala de be fie nya sam ketwa edwane we enkwala pe empani pe. Everyone love this food. Why? Because it tastes so delicious, very sweet. Do you have any child who doesn't want to eat? Well, then I guess you should try this meal. Trust me, every child loves to eat this food because of the taste of the ripe plantain. Very sweet. Edwane na ya kono say me pacho so wo kokko a wo fi abra e mane hu hon say start by doing this food and trust me, you will love it. Please, if this is your first time of being here, kindly try to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching.